Welcome to the Tableau video series. This is a series of short videos talking about Tableau products and technologies of interest to computer forensics practitioners. Hi, I'm Robert Bacek, the president and founder of Tableau. In this video, we're going to talk about the settings that are available to you when starting an acquisition with the Tableau Imager. The Tableau Imager is very different than the traditional imaging software you may be used to. Using traditional imaging software, it's typically necessary to go through 5, 6, even 7 separate screens to specify the options for a specific acquisition. The Tableau Imager consolidates all of these settings in one screen. For you, that means everything is available at a glance. So let's look at the settings screen. At the top of the screen, we see information about the device we've selected for imaging. That's the subject device. We'll see its vendor, make, model, serial number, firmware version. We'll also see information about the forensic bridge. This is the Tableau product. Right below that, we see a prompt for the destination path. This is where we're going to park all the output from the acquisition process. The settings in the Tableau Imager make it easy for you to specify the settings or the options that match the best practices and the workflow of your organization. So let's look at some of those options. We have the ability to specify the destination file name. We can specify the destination file format, and the Tableau Imager supports both EO1 output and RAW output. We can enter the examiner name, the case ID, case notes. We can also specify the error recovery strategy, the hashing, and even the scheduling for each acquisition. One of the cool things we've done is we've made it easy for you to specify the destination file name so that it corresponds to the workflow or the best practices of your organization. With that in mind, we let you set default values for all of the acquisition settings. To see how we've made this simple for you, bring up the Program Preferences. Looking at the Preferences dialog, you'll see the same settings that you would see during an acquisition. You can set the default values to match the best practices of your organization. These defaults will then be brought up automatically each time you start a new acquisition. At Tableau, we've learned that performance isn't measured just in megabytes per second or gigabytes per minute. Performance is also human performance. When you're using a tool, is the tool designed in such a way to ensure that you always get the settings and preferences you want every time?